I'm sure you must have come across so many TikTokers that are making money online, and this has been going on, and many persons are making as much money as possible. TikTok being a platform that is new and has grown exponentially, everybody's, jumping in on that opportunity to make as much money as possible. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Francis Eza, and I'm all about teaching you how to make money online and every other thing that surrounds making money online. And if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you're also super welcome. And I will indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you will be among the first to be notified. Right, so talking about making money online, using TikTok, many persons are actually, making as much money as possible, but other set of people are wondering how can they make money online, without having to show their face. In all honesty, those that are cool with showing their face on TikTok, they are actually right there doing what they know how to do best. But I'm here for those of us that are not really okay showing our face, on TikTok, or those private persons that actually want to take the advantage of making money online using TikTok, but they don't want to show their face. And if you still think that you cannot make money, or you can't go viral on TikTok without showing your face, you're actually very wrong, because you're not updated. Let me put it that way. Because so many persons are actually making money on TikTok without putting out their face out there. All they just need to do, provide quality content, post strategically, and focus on certain niche that are doing so well, and they're going viral, and they're making as much money as possible, selling their own products and services, selling affiliate product and all that. So in this video, I'm going to show you best TikTok ideas that can bring you as much money as possible without you having to show your face. And before we head right into it, I would also give you this secret. Pay special attention to point number 5, or idea number 5 and idea number 7, because these two actually have high chance of going viral faster. And there are lots and lots of persons that are willing to buy whatever thing you have to sell under these two ideas. So without taking much of your time, let's head right into it. And the first one is educational videos. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a PhD holder and all that. All you just need to do is find any information that you are willing or that you are good at. You can actually give out some information, or give educative content, and start putting out things or creating short videos around those educational content, and start serving your audience. And I will give you some example. You can actually talk about maybe English, maths, biology, and all those normal orthodox subjects. And aside that, also you can actually look at home cleaning tips, parenting tips and hacks, creating different resumes, note-taking hacks, exam preparation hacks, cramming and passing your exam hacks and all that. You can create tips without having to show your face. Okay, so the next one is computer skills. How to use MS Word, how to use Excel, how to work with Microsoft, how to keyboard shortcuts and every other thing. Then installation tips and all that. You can actually put out loads and loads of content on these ideas. And for you to find the content, they are not actually that hard. Head out there online, and this content are right there looking at you. The only difference is that they could be in text form. Okay, let me use an instance. When you talk of keyboard shortcuts, control this to give you this, control that to give you that, control this to alt shifts. You can actually be putting out these things and be creating informative, educative content on computer skills. And trust me, people are looking for this content, and this content is going to go viral. And you can start to make as much money selling your own courses or ebooks or affiliate programs or merch and any other thing. So right, let's jump to the next one, which is number 3, which is sports. Sports generally have wide audience that are always hungry to get informations and tips and everything about sports. So you can actually start creating short video content on TikTok about sport updates, sport celebrity, football games, chess tips, sport fail video, and betting tips and hacks, and also even funny sports videos and all that. And there are so many contents out there for you to simply pick and rebrand it and post. Or you can actually pick the one that someone had actually posted, which doesn't have any copyright on it, and repost. Simply remove the one or two tags, or you can actually reference the person or cite the person. Is not wrong. Okay. Then the fourth idea is photography or videography or camera. There are so many persons, okay, that are into that, and there are so many video content going out there. So the demand or the persons going into photography, videography are getting high and high every time. Okay, so you can actually start putting out content about how to shoot indoors, how to shoot outdoors, lighting, 3-angle lighting, 1-angle lighting, so many things, low light photography and videography, low light photography techniques, using of multiple cameras, different lighting, let's say one phase or two phase or three. I don't know the terms and terminology. So, but you can actually make content around how to do photography, videography, and how to set cameras could actually be very good content. Okay, and you have wide audience out there. Okay, so the next one, which is the fifth idea, pay attention, is animal and pets. So many persons are in love with pets and all that, and everybody needs content on how to take care of their pets, how to groom their pets. Anything that has to do with dogs, cats, and every other kind of pets, people are actually out there to look out for those content, and those content are highly engaging. Okay, so you can actually do things on dog grooming, pet plays, animal falls, and so many things. Just find an angle that suits you, and start pushing out content on those angles, and use the right hashtags, and use the right trending music and all that. And trust me, in no much time you're going to go viral. And by the moment you go viral, you can start making money on TikTok, okay, without having to show your face. Okay. Then the next one is gaming. Gaming is actually mind-blowing. Like, everybody, old, young, are out there playing games every day. So you can actually put up skills, or put up videos on gaming tips and skills, GTA, Grand Theft tips, hacks, Minecraft, anything, like game cheats and code, best gaming console and everything, and gaming glasses actually, and the experiences that you could actually get with different gaming glasses. So all these content are what you can actually start pushing out on TikTok and get as much followers as possible, and it will also increase the chances of going viral. Okay, then the next one is money and business. That's idea number 7. Okay, and this is where I'm in. Okay, this is where I put out my content on TikTok and all that. And I know when I started putting out my content on TikTok, I think within a month or two, I was able to get as much as close to 1,000 followers, because so many persons want to make money out there. So you could actually start putting out stuff on saving tips, making money online tips, email marketing tips, affiliate marketing tips, freelancing tips, real estate tips, asset and liability tips, financial advice. There are so many angles to attack the money and business TikTok idea. Okay, so the next one is comedy. I think that's the most popular one. Everybody's out there, funny memes, funny story, funny song, that's various dance steps and all that. So much comedy and entertainment. So this niche is actually very, very good one. And remember, money and business could actually get you so viral, because there are so many persons out there that are in this niche, and they have as much followers as possible. And the good thing about this idea number 7, because I need to stress it so much, because of the importance and the ease to go viral, and the ease to generate content, and the ease to get followers on using this TikTok idea. So many persons out there want to make money. Even people from sports want to make money. People from the game want to make money. People learning photography and all that want to make money. People that want to learn educative and informative content want to make money. So everybody have an eye for this niche. Okay, so it's actually a very good one. And also, let me put it this way: by now you must have you've gotten the idea on the best TikTok content to push out there to go viral and start making money online. So it's now left for you to actually start doing this consistently and putting the hard work so you can actually start making money online. Then coming to the strategy you could actually use to make money, putting out these TikTok ideas. You could actually make money using several strategies, using affiliate marketing. Okay, so you can actually add affiliate once you start getting much viewership and much followers. You can actually attach affiliate links of related products to your channel, or whatever video you drop, you add a link, and trust me, there are many persons that are going to use that link to buy because you've actually given them lots and lots of content earlier, so they feel kind of indebted to you. Okay, so you can also sell your merchandise or printables, like in the dog niche and some other niche. You can actually, when you have so much followers and you interact very well with them, and they want to they want to recognize with your brand, or they want to bond with your brand. You can actually sell printables like cap, bangles, t-shirts and all that, and make as much money as possible. Then also you can actually promote your business or your brand and get more followers or get more audience or get more traffic. You may not actually have to make the money right off TikTok. You could actually amass as much audience on TikTok, then channel them to your website or to your blog or to your business, and that way you are creating more audience, more traffic, and generating more sales from your business. And that's how you're going to make as much money as possible, putting out these TikTok video ideas into practice and start pushing out as much content as possible. So by now you must have seen and learned the best TikTok ideas you could actually put out there and start making as much money as possible. So having been with me in this video up to this moment, again, like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop content like this,